Hi, my name is Iza Inshira binti Khairul Anwar. My metric number 01DKM22F1037. Work is done when a force produces some kind of motion. For example, when a man climbs a mountain, work is done because while climbing a mountain, he is moving against the force of gravity. Hence, the work depends upon two factors. They are magnitude of force and the direction in which the body moves due to the force applied. Hence, the work is measured by the product of displacement and force of a body along with its direction of the force. It is referred to a scalar quantity, and the SI unit of work is joule. Energy. Energy is defined as the capacity to do work. The SI unit of energy is the same as the unit of work, which is the joule. Energy has many different forms and can be converted from one form to others. For example, an electrical motor converts electrical energy to kinetic energy. Form of energy: gravitational potential energy, kinetic energy, thermal energy, solar energy, and chemical energy. Power is the rate at which work is done or rate at which energy is transferred. Power is a measure of how quickly work is done. The SI unit of power is the watt or joule per second. Power is scalar quantity. 1 watt is equal about 1 joule per second. Horsepower is a unit of power in the British system of measurement.
Hello everyone, my name is Hadira Ila binti Hairi. My metric number is 01DKM22F1059. So today I would like to talk about the objective of alarm system. The objective of this project is for protection and family safety. While this includes detecting burglary, security system also detects a number of other threats. Other than that, most modern home alarm systems can detect environmental dangers as well, including fire and carbon monoxide, and sound an alarm to alert your family. Alarm system can also be programmed to instantly contact the fire department or other emergency service to ensure fast response time.
So, hi, Assalamualaikum. This is my part for simulation. My name is Nur Jamratul Naim binti Muhammad Fizul. My metric number is 01DKM22F1038. Okay, first of all, kita letak dulu tajuk. Contoh macam alarm sistem sebab kami buat alarm sistem. So, letak alarm sistem, lepas tu enter. And then kita ambil Arduino Uno, lepas tu boleh rotate macam dalam video. Kita rotate sampai dia jadi macam ni. And then kita ambil breadboard. Breadboard kita letak bersebelahan dengan Arduino Uno. Lepas tu kita tarik dari 5 volt dekat Arduino Uno punya plate. Kita tarik sampailah ke breadboard. Sampai ke breadboard. Breadboard positif. Lepas tu dia punya warna wayar ni boleh tukar. Kami tukar kepada warna hitam. Lepas tu kami pergi ke GMV dekat plate Uno. Kami drag sampai ke breadboard negatif. Lepas tu kami tukar dia punya warna sebab untuk senang nak tengok. And then breadboard positif kita bawa ke positif, negatif kita bawa kepada negatif. Lepas tu kami buat keluar resistor dengan LED. So resistor ni kita letak dekat breadboard. Letak resistor ni dekat buat nombor 22. Lepas tu kita ambil LED, letak juga dekat breadboard. So LED kita letak dekat breadboard nombor 21, 22. Okey, lepas tu kita cari buzzer. Type je buzzer, lepas tu ambil buzzer ni letak dekat breadboard. So kita letak buzzer dekat breadboard nombor 24. Lepas tu kita tarik wayar 29 dekat plate negatif. Lepas tu dekat breadboard nombor 21 kita tarik kepada negatif 6 dekat plate uno. Lepas tu plate 24, breadboard 24, nombor 24 kita drag ke nombor 7. Kita tukar warna dia untuk senang nak nampak. And then kita search for motion. So kita search for motion yang warna hijau. Kita drag, so letak dekat atas breadboard. Okay, untuk power kita drag dia punya wire dekat breadboard positif. Lepas tu untuk ground kita drag dekat plate negatif. Untuk signal kita drag sampai ke plate uno nombor 13. Okay, dah siap. So kita nak buat untuk dia punya code. Okay, untuk dia punya code kita ambil variables. So kita tulis motion sensor. Rapat Lepas tu okay. Lepas tu dia naik macam ni, kita ambil yang motion yang bawah, yang second bawah dari motion sensor. Lepas tu kita pergi ke input, kita ambil read digital pin. Kita letak sebelah motion sensor dan kita ambil ke nombor 13. Lepas tu kita ambil ke control, ambil if then else. Lepas tu ambil ke max yang second sebab nak samakan shape. Then ambil variables, ambil motion sensor, letak dekat yang max tadi. Lepas tu pergi ke motion sensor, letak height. And then ambil output, letak set pin dengan place speaker on pin. Okay, letak atas bawah. Lepas tu set pin kita letak ke nombor 6. Place speaker kita letak ke nombor 7. And then kita letak lagi set pin untuk bawah else. Kita letak ke low. Lepas tu kita letak dekat nombor 6. Lepas tu kita letak set pin yang atas nombor 6, yang bawah nombor 7. Dua-dua kita letak low. Lepas tu sebelah motion sensor kita buka kod balik, kita letak sebelah motion sensor tu kita letak equal. Lepas tu boleh start simulation. Lepas tu dah nampak warna hijau, dia dah boleh start untuk beat.
Hi, now it's time for me to continue the presentation. My name is Nur Daniel Husna binti Muhammad Rasi with matrix number 01 DKM22F1042. Conclusion that we get from this mini project is a home alarm system is used as a defensive device to monitor all unwelcome events such as to avoid thief. It is also used to alert a user of a possible danger. Focus on all of the accessible enter point of the house so that the alarm will sound as soon as the instructor enter. Before we making the decision of installing home security system, you must get the complete knowledge about the security system. You must think about the proper security system that will fulfill your needs and expectation. Once you have made a judgment of pros and cons of setting such a system, you can feel better about your choice. A home safety alarm system consists of a series of circuit components that are connected to a property via switch and contact. They detect movement or the opening of door and window, upon which a loud alarm is proceeded, alerts nearby of the unauthorized enter. Often demand to be security assistant, the system are in reverse feature of most premise. That's all. Thank you.